Hello students, welcome back to Intro to Programming with Minecraft. Today we're going to get into the concept of lists. This one can be a little bit tricky and frustrating, but I know you guys can do this. So I'm going to go ahead and do a very basic list, and let's see how we can do this. So when we make a list, we're going to treat it just like a regular variable. So I am going to make a list called dwarves. And of course, there should be 7 dwarves. Okay, so we've got happy. So I'm sorry, let me back up a second. So to define a list, I do it with these square brackets. So these buttons are located on your keyboard directly to the right of the P key. But anything that's on the inside of these square brackets is a list. And I separate the list items with a comma. So I've got happy, and then grumpy, comma, sleepy, sneezy, dopey, bashful, and oops, making sure that my comma's on the outside, and doc. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 dwarves. Now, when I go to try to run this code, if I want to reference something in there, I need to tell it which item in the list I want to access. So if I want to say player.say, and I want to say one of the dwarves, I have to say get something from the dwarves list, and then I'm going to put those square brackets in there again, and I have to tell it which one to get. So I've got the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. Now the one big weird thing about this is that when I do lists, the first item in the list is item number 0. So happy is 0, grumpy is 1, sleepy is 2, sneezy is 3, dopey is 4, bashful is 5, and doc is 6. So if I want to say the name dopey, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would say player say dwarves 4. Let me push play. Dopey, there it is. Okay, so let's switch this. Let's say number 1. Which one should number 1 be? Grumpy. So you see grumpy, we go 0 and then 1. Now what happens if I go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? What if I said, tell me what's in the 8th spot? So I'm just going to put an 8 there. Oh, and I had an error there for a second. Now I don't. Let's play, see what happens. Undefined. So we tried to pull up something that wasn't actually there, and it told us undefined. So let's go ahead and try one of these exercises. I'm going to skip past these instructions. I'll let you read those on your own. Hi, would it be possible to get your help? I need to write some code that will make a list of these animals and spawn them in their correct pens. However, animals keep ending up in the wrong pens. Could you write some code that will list each of the animals and spawn them in their correct areas? Sure. Okay, so I've got my list of animals right here. And look, we've got list name 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to try to move so I can see all the animals. And let's press C to get into the code. I'm going to shrink this down so I can see it. Okay, so I've already got my variables for location 1 through 5. Now right here, I need to make my list of animals. So they've already said what my list should be called. It should be my underscore list is equal to, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the brackets. So looking over here on the left, I see I've got a cow, comma, and then a pig, and then a sheep, and then a horse, and then I believe that last one was a rabbit. Okay, cow, pig, sheep, horse, rabbit. cow, pig, sheep, horse, rabbit. Okay, good. We're good. So now I'm going to go here and I see the locations. There's location 1, location 2, 3, 4, 5. So it says right here, spawn the third mob from the list at location 2. Okay, so mobs.spawn. What should we spawn? My list, and then square brackets. Spawn the third mob from the list. Okay, so mob spawn my list, and the third mob from the list is going to be the third mob in the list is going to be at the second position because it goes 0, 1, 2. And then where should we spawn it? We want to spawn it at location 2. Okay, now just for the sake of saving time, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to paste it a couple times. Because now what I can do is just adjust the information. The fifth mob will be at index 4, and I'm going to spawn that at location 3. And the second mob would be at location 1, or at index 1, and we're going to spawn it at location 4. And then the fourth mob would be at index 3, and we're going to spawn it at location 5. Okay, now before I run it, I'm going to reposition myself because I want to make sure I can see all the animals appear. Push C to bring up my code, and then push play. Here we go. Woo! Look at all my animals. Congratulations, activity 1 of 3 complete. Okay, so I've walked you through the first activity. Next 2 activities are going to get a little bit more complicated, but I think with the tutorials you can figure this out, so make sure you're reading through the instructions. Good luck. Email me if you have any questions.